What up, guys? I'm here at this mall, Mission Viejo. It's in Orange County where Maddie Shipman lives. Do you think she'll be able to come here, or does she come here a lot? I don't know, but I heard that she lives close to Mission Viejo, or maybe in here. But that's what I hear, because her dad puts like publication of his house on Instagram. Not his address or anything, it just says the city, Mission Viejo. And I think she lives here, but good thing my parents wanted to come here. And maybe if I find her, I'll take a picture of her with me. We'll see what happens. Or maybe here, if I see if they sell air horns here so I could prank my sister. Maybe. We'll see. Alright. Let's get looking at the food court. I'm gonna go check out the food court, see what there is to eat. So I'll record more in a little bit. See ya. These cars are so cool. These things, they drive itself. You don't need to use a steering wheel. It has a steering wheel in case you want to hold on to it. But these, they drive by themselves. These cars are expensive. So this one's not that expensive. I hear one of these are like $30,000. 35, I think, 35K. The last one over there is like 100K. Okay, we're like leaving the mall right now. And I haven't found her yet. Oh, there go my parents. Yep, I found it. They did have this, but I didn't get to see Maddie Shipman. But at least I got to find this, and I'm gonna prank. See if my sister doesn't catch me. Okay, my mom is gone. My sister's alone because my mom doesn't like a lot of noise. It scared the crap out of them. Oh my guts. Well, thank you for watching. That was the best prank. I never scared my sister that with that loudest noise. That was like the loudest prank I ever done. So if you want to see more of that, subscribe and see ya. Okay. Okay, I forgot to say something. The rest of the video. All right. How was the horn? Say the video. Tell the video. How did it feel when I just pressed it?
It hurts.
It hurts what?
My ears.
So it's so loud. Cover your. Press it. What? You gotta press. All right, seriously, guys. Make sure to subscribe, give it a like, thumbs up. Well, see ya. Subscribe.